With your Traxxas Slash, you get this tool, which you've probably never used on anything. To put the U-joint ball inside of the axle, which most people don't want to do because you can buy them just as a set and it's much easier to just fix them as a set. But when you get desperate and running low on parts, you have to build your own axles. You need to get the ball of this drive shaft into the U-joint. So you can tip the edge of one of the cups to try and get it in the one side, and then it's getting it in the other. And you got to put a wedge in. With your Traxxas Slash, you get this tool, which you've probably never used on anything before. It's for fixing these axles. Now, this tool, that's for holding these balls in place so you can pop on axles. Yeah, so you're just using this tool and pushing the little pin up and in. Come on, it's almost there.
I think you're beyond it.
Nope, there we go. Just snapped in. It's there.
That's dope.
Fixed drive shaft. So yeah, you got to fix drive shafts. Find this tool. It comes with your Slash. Otherwise, you have to buy the full sets, the outer and the inner. And with that tool, you can fix your own. You can just buy the outers.
You should do. There's just like a quick clip of that, like a 1 minute.
Yeah.
Boom.